Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunplus Studio, and today we'll talk about my overhauls for May 2025. And umpisahan natin to sa Bandai model kit, which is the Nemo. So I bought this Nemo from GundamMania.ph. Yan, sa Shopee ko yan nabili. So this is from Malaysia seller. And yun nga, kinokompleto ko na rin kasi yung AEUG. So I am a fan of AEUG. So yan, isa sa mga mobile suit nila is yung Nemo. Ayan. So master grade Nemo from Bandai. And I got the Panzerworld Galleon. So this is the Assault Galleon from Wave Corporation, and I bought it from goodproductjapan.ph. So yan, ilalagay natin sa baba yung usan ako shop na kabili. At mura ko lang ito nabili, around 2,700 pesos. Kasi mostly yung Galleon na binibenta na sa Shopee is 3,600 pataas to 4,000. But good thing, may mga voucher tayo, nabili natin ng 2,700 pesos, something like that. And next is yung Camphor. So this is from Bandai, and I bought it from Neopla8b.ph sa Shopee din, and I think this is from Malaysia again. And then nabili ko to about 2,100 pesos, but medyo nagsisi ako kasi nagmura siya bigla kay Toy Town, na binenta lang ni Toy Town around 1,700 or 1,800 with voucher, by the way. So anyway, still nabili ko na din, and yan, nagawa ko na rin ng review. Then Cublay. Speaking of Toy Town, syempre sa Toy Town ko nabili si Cublay master grade. So I was still looking for the Cublay Mark II, yung sa Puro Play or Puro 2 pilots. Gusto ko sana yung kulay blue nun, pero ang hirap talaga maghanap ng blue. Sana magkaroon sooner or later. Magkaroon ng red prints. But I think nagkaroon na ngayon ng red prints yung kulay red, yung kay Play 2. So ayan, Cublay mobile suit. Then, bootleg. Dito tayo sa bootleg kay Shengshuan Justice Gundam. So, this is the Justice Mecha. Actually, ang makulit ng pangalan eh. Extraordinary Mecha X09A. Matagal na to eh. Naunahan lang kasi ako nung metal build version ng Justice. Kaya sinantabi ko na to. Pero recently napangitan ako dun sa quality ngayon ng metal build kasi sobrang sobrang luwag na ng mga joints. So I decided to why not try the bootleg, yung Shengshuan model. So I bought it from Gundam PH. Ayan, sa Bulacan naman ito, pero Shopee din ang platform na ginamit ko. So nabili ko lang to around 900 pesos or 1,100. 1,100. 900 pesos before, pero hindi na ako umabot sa ganun kasi nga sinantabi ko siya. So let's see if okay naman tong Gundam na to. And last but not least, I got the Full Armor Gundam Bandai. So I bought it from Ace Hobby Deck from San Fernando, La Union. Pero Shopee platform ko ulit nabili. So yan, finally I got my hands on this kasi tagal ko rin hinanap tong kit na to. And yung murang version na nabili ko is from Ace Hobby Tech. Thank you so much, Ace Hobby Tech. Murang-mura, 2,100 pesos ko nabili. Kasi before binibenta to around 3,000 pataas, but still mura ito. So ayun, hindi ko na naisama dito yung boxes ng Yiming model ng ano ba na yun? Gundam Alex and yung Changlong Wing EW version. So I bought it from Fingertip Player kasi nabuo ko na yung dalawa, naitapon ko na yung box. but still included yun sa batch na ito. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this. See you next time, and happy building. Good night, God bless, take care. Kimmerman from Kimmerman God Bless Studio.